Are an overload of information and constant distractions keeping you from concentrating? Are you having difficulty focusing on your study for the CFA exam? Sometimes, finding a quiet study spot or creating the most detailed study schedule just won't cut it. Focused learning has proven to be an effective technique for understanding and retaining information. A study by Dr. Joel Salinas, a neurologist with Harvard-affiliated Massachusetts General Hospital says, "Much research has suggested that working in small chunks of time, with rest periods in between, can help with focus, since our attention tends to wane after a certain period." At CogniVisio, we turned the study and preparation process for the CFA exam into a smooth and enjoyable learning experience. We offer short in-depth videos created by CFA Charter holders to ensure you're alert for the entire video and grasp the essential concepts efficiently. Our concept-focused videos allow you to locate a subject you'd like to study with ease, instead of searching through hours of videos. The videos may be short, but they don't compromise on quality. Every concept is covered in sufficient detail, offering around 3,000 minutes of engaging videos and animations. Enjoy learning anytime and anywhere through concept-focused videos that allow you to easily process, understand, and retain information. Get focused and prepare for the CFA exam with CogniVisio. Enroll now.